As network marketing is a growing business throughout the world and South Africa, 3PEXCEL, which stands for People, Products and Profits, is a new business opportunity that hosted its first pre-launch presentation in Johannesburg at the Centurion Hotel. .3PEXCEL South Africa, a division of the 3PEXCEL International, is a marketing platform which is most recently launched in South Africa and is already in operation in other countries such as Kenya and Ghana.
3PEXCEL has given me a lot. I can't keep mentioning what this company has given me. For the past few weeks I've been in the business. I've been able to do so many things I couldn't do in my other years in my other network marketing business.
3PEXCEL for me, guys, is a vehicle for financial freedom, a vehicle for poverty eradication. It's a vehicle to ensure that more people are included economically in this country.
A large number of business-minded members of the community made their way to the pre-launch presentation for 3PEXCEL at Centurion Hotel. The host, King, welcomed the guests and the speakers of the day. Before Reverend Voyo led the guests in prayer, he gave a motivational speech to overcome difficult challenges by encouraging guests to use their wisdom and strength given by God. Sister Mhlanzi followed after the pastor, where she outlined the purpose of the day and helped members to understand more about the business opportunities within 3PEXCEL. Marketing network guru Moses explained how he joined 3PEXCEL and how it has given him many opportunities. He highlighted the growth he has experienced within the company from stage 1 to stage 4 in just 1 month. Mrs. Nzamele explained the importance of teamwork in order for members to reach higher levels within the network marketing business. The crowd was moved as Mr. Collins, the Chief Operating Officer International, accompanied by Spade, made their way to the stage.
It's a privilege to be here tonight to share this vision, to tell us about 3PEXCEL, to tell us what the company stands for, to talk about our business, to talk about everything we have got to offer. There's something I want to assure you. You are in the right business, at the right place, at the right time.
Mr. Collins explained the different stages of the plan, from stage 1, silver, to stage 6, diamond, as well as how to move from one stage to another, and highlighted the benefits of each stage. In closing, Mr. Collins outlined the registration process and how to start your network marketing journey with 3PEXCEL. Tulani the Lion, together with Mr. Collins, invited guests to ask questions in order to eradicate any misunderstandings with concerns to joining 3PEXCEL. This ensured everyone was satisfied and motivated by the end of the launch.
Well, what a fruitful presentation, first of all. I've gained so much knowledge about 3PEXCEL. It is new in South Africa, and trust me, people, it is best for you to join right now. If you know a network marketing business, it is best to position yourself at the right time. So join 3PEXCEL, you won't lose anything. We are about to make money, and we are about to make history in South Africa.
3PEXCEL has an office that allows to better equip clients and customers.
In 3PEXCEL South Africa office, we have equipped the office to serve our clients and our partners better. We have the training department where people come to learn about the business. We also have the customer care department where people can come to know more about the business. We also have the technical department. We also have the accounts. And lastly, we have the administrative department that oversees the general operations of 3PEXCEL South Africa.
Join 3PEXCEL now to start your network marketing journey.